4 red days in all of 2025, and this trade setup right here is the reason why. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you step by step on how I traded it and how you can catch high probability setups using what pro traders rely on called dynamic money management, and it completely changes the game. Now I'm going to go into the exact setup real quick. I did create a 20-minute training session covering everything with this strategy from A to Z. If you want it, just type send it in the comments and I'll send you the link to join absolutely for free. Now let's dive in. So this morning, price gave us a 5-minute candle body break above the 15-minute opening range of our session. I trade the New York session. That's the setup. That's what we call the ORB. It stands for opening range breakout. This keeps our entry model super simple and clean, but that's just the surface. What actually makes this strategy work is how I size my positions based on the quality of the trade setup. So at first glance, we close outside the 15-minute range. Everything looks pretty solid. We're ready to go. Make sure the chart is on auto. We zoom out to about 80 to 130 candles and we pop on the long and short tool, and it gives us a dynamic stop loss. Here you can see 44 points. I do the math. I see what I want to risk based on this trade setup. But here you can see on a higher time frame, like our 1 hour, the momentum is pointing down. So instead of going heavy and risking something like 3%, I chose to only risk 0.5%. Not because I was scared, but because it wasn't the time to press. I still had a clean equilibrium target that got hit almost to the tick. But this is what happens when you have a system that has structure and flexibility, because this is what most traders miss. They trade 1% every trade like it's a 9-to-5 job. But the market doesn't pay you for showing up. It pays you for pressing when it's time and playing defense when it's not. So again, if you want to learn the full system, I put together a PDF checklist along with backtesting videos in a free school community. Just type send it in the comments and I'll send it to you for absolutely free.